Hello everyone, myself Nitin Tupsaminder. I am Assistant Professor of Chemistry. I am going to teach you photoelectric effects concept of quantum elementary mechanics chapter. So now we are going to see the definition of photoelectric effects. So what is photoelectric effects? Photoelectric effect is the emissions of electrons when electromagnetic radiations such as light radiations that are bombard or that are hits on a metal surface or a material, then electrons emitted in this manner are called as photoelectrons, and whole the process or all the phenomenon of these emissions of photoelectrons, it is called as photoelectric effect. So this photoelectric effect is the very simple concept. See next diagram. You can see in this diagram light radiations are fall on the metal surface of this material, and photoelectrons or electron from these metal surfaces are emitted. So these are the emitted electrons. These electrons, it is called as photoelectrons. This is the simple diagram which understanding the photoelectric effect. So next we will going to learn photoelectric effect experiment. In photoelectric effect experiment, there is emissions of electron when electromagnetic radiations which having sufficient amount of frequency that is incident on certain metal surfaces. Then as the first experiment which is demonstrated quantum theory of energy level, photoelectric effect experiment is of great historical importance. So this is the photoelectric effect experiment. See in this diagram, that is experiment is shown here. In this diagram, light radiations which are falling on these metal surfaces, this metal surfaces is connected on this vacuum chamber. In this vacuum chamber there is metal surfaces is connected, and these light radiations are fall on these metal surfaces, and from these metal surfaces some electrons which are emitted, that is called as photoelectrons, and that photoelectrons it is accepted by positive electrode of the battery, and there is continuous circuit of this current in this experiment is shown here. So this is the experiment of photoelectric effects. So in this diagram also photoelectron effects can be easily you can understand. Again this diagram also shows very simple understanding of photoelectric effect. In this diagram also light radiations are fall on this metal surface. This is the metal surface, black is the metal surface, and there's negative charge, that is nothing but photoelectrons. So when as soon as light radiations are fall on these metal surfaces, then there will be emissions of the electrons from the metal surface. So these electrons are called as photoelectron, or this emissions of electron it is called as photoelectrons, and all the process it is called as photoelectric effects. Then what is Einstein legacy about the photoelectric effect? So despite the popularity of Einstein theories of relativity and his musing on black holes, Einstein Nobel Prize in Physics was actually awarded for his discovery of the photoelectric effect. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of the world around us. Now we are going to come across see the applications of photoelectric effect. So most famous and most obvious example is the probably solar energy, which is produced by photovoltaic cells. These are made up of semiconducting material which produce electricity when exposed to the sunlight radiations. And everyday example is a solar power calculator also. And more exotic application would be solar power satellite. That satellite orbit around the earth, that is the most powerful example, exotic example of application of this photoelectric effects. Nowadays engineers are developing new application for the solar energy. And now we come the point conclusion. So what is conclusion of this photoelectric effect? So most important conclusion of photoelectric effect is that it shows that light radiations has a particle nature. Light radiation has a particle nature, that is, light radiation is not continuous but discrete, and photons are the carriers of light. That is nothing but the photons which is emitted in the form of the light radiation, that photons are the in the form of the discrete amount of energy. That discrete amount of photon, it is called as discrete amount of part of the light radiation, it is called as photons. And this is the conclusion of photoelectric effects. Thank you, all of you.